Hello everyone, my name is Shubhajit and today we will be discussing about the one of the higher order functions in JavaScript arrays, which is filter. Okay, so let's get started. Um, some of the things which you need to understand before starting this video is why we use higher order functions. We use higher order functions because the code is concise and very easy to understand and debug. Okay, so you can actually see what is happening by just looking at the code because the format is very much standard and it's very much direct. So let me code it and then you will understand what it is. So in this video we will be discussing about filter. What filter is that whatever array we apply this to will remove some of the elements based on the Boolean condition. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Let's say we have this names array, okay, which contains numbers from 1 to 10 as you are able to see here. Now let's say our requirement or our use case somewhere is like we want it to be divisible, not divisible by 5. That is, we want all the numbers which are not divisible by 5 in a new array. Let me numbers, okay, so we want all the numbers which are not divisible by 5. How do we do that? For this, what we can do, non-divisible by 5 is equals to, I will apply the filter method on this, and on this filter method what I will do, I will have a callback function. Now higher order functions are those functions inside which the parameters are passed as functions on which the computation happens. So if I define the callback function, it will take a number, each of these numbers basically, so 2, 3, 4, and then it will compute based on that. So what filter does is, inside the filter, when this callback function is running, it will pass each of the numbers here from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just like a for loop. And with that, what it will do, it will actually call this callback function for each of the numbers, and then whichever function call returns true, it will add it to the array, and whichever function this body returns false, it will not add them to the array, it will remove them from the array. So that's what our definition is like. Based on the Boolean condition, some of the elements will be removed from the array, and those which are true they will be added, and those which are false they will be removed. So let me write a condition based on which the true and false uh, like return statements are identified by this callback function. So what I'm saying, my requirement is the numbers which are not divisible by 5 should return true. It means those should be added, and the numbers which are divisible by 5 should not be added to the this non-divisible by 5 array. So what should I return here? I will return num modulo 5, num modulo 5 double is equals to 0. So if num modulo 5 double is equals to 0, it means it is divisible by 5, and I'm returning true for that. But I should not do that. I should check and return true for only those where it is not divisible by 5. It means that the modulo operator should not be equals to 0. In those cases only it will return true. Let's take an example. If it is 1, so 1 modulo 5, what it is? It is 1 only. This is 1 only. So 1 modulo 5 is 1. 1 is not equals to 0. 1 is not equals to 0 will be true. It means 1 will be added to the non-divisible by 5 array. So hope you have understood. But if it is 5, 5 modulo 5 is 0, and 0 is not equals to 0 is false. So it will not be added to this non-divisible by 5 array. I hope you have understood this. And now let me um, have the numbers array and the non-divisible by 5 array, and let me run this. Okay, I think I haven't run. Yeah, so here you go. Can you see that initially we have 1 to 10, but after that we have just 1 to 4 and 6 to 9. 5 and 10 are removed. So this is the actual use case, and there will be a lot of use cases for this filter method. Hope you have understood this video. uh, I also want to add one more thing. In spite of using this function, you can actually sorry, you can actually put it out inside this um filter method only. So what we will do, yeah, so this is an arrow function. Please read about it. If you don't know it, you will get it in the docs. Any docs of JavaScript, just type arrow functions, and then you will understand that the filter method, what we are doing, we are actually having each of the num, and for that num, what we are doing, we are returning this num dot modulo 5 is not equals to 0. Okay, so yeah, this function is fully passed inside the filter method. That's why it's a higher order function, and for each of the nums the computation is happening, and based on the boolean value it is added or not added to the non-divisible by 5 array. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I will be really happy to help. Thank you.